Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to address the navigation problem on Jaguar X-Type. According with Jaguar repair manual, we have to check for power and ground at the navigation module, connector NA7 or NA007, pin 2 and pin 11. The navigation module is in the boot on the left side. Unscrew the bolts and take out the navigation. You need to check the connection NA07. Connection NA07 is this, so it says 20 pin black connection. You've got two connections and that's the 20 pin, and you should check against 11 and 2. So if you look at the back here, you need something like this. Set it to volts DC. So you have to put the key into the ignition, go to connection 11, and then on the ground point, and we've got 11.50 volts. Now check the connection number 2. And go to continuity. Or you can go to buzzer. It will buzz because that's the ground, and it goes back to the, it's something like you touch those two together. If you touch those two together, it will beep, and it's the same situation here. That's the ground. So that confirms we've got power and ground, and in that case the navigation module is faulty. As long as we have power and ground here at number 2 and number 11, that's our faulty part. So what you have to do is take it out completely from here. So all of them got like those pins, and just take it out and get a replacement, and you do the reverse. You connect everything back, and now everything should be fine. Everything should work. Now when you come into the car, it will ask you to enter the pin. Actually that's the radio code, and that is 4263. 4263, and there you go. Everything is working as it should. You've got the menu, you've got the navigation, climate control, audio. That's all.